Alright guys, we're going to be doing SMART goals today, and you're going to be making two SMART goals of your own, one academic and one personal. You may need to refer to yesterday's page for these SMART notes, but I'm going to kind of run through this pretty quick, and there will be a worksheet to help guide you tomorrow. But today, before we get to that tomorrow, we need to get our goals hammered down. So, one academic and one personal. So the academic goal, all of these are going to be achieved by January when we get back, come back from the semester. So I'm giving you the T for timeliness, okay? So let's say my academic goal is get above a 90, we got all caps on here, get above an 90 in 5 out of 6 classes. For the last 6 weeks. So, now when we get to S is our specific. So specific, you're basically going to write the S, the M, the A, the R, and the T for your goal, okay? Now, you're going to need to look back and refer to the S being specific, the M being measurable, the A being attainable, the R being realistic, and the T I'm giving you for timely. But when you're looking here for specific, well, specific, there is a very specific part of that goal. It's the 90%, the 5 out of 6 classes, and that over last 6 weeks. That's the specific part, okay? Then we're going to go to measurable. Well, the measurable part is the 90%. That's how I know. If I get an 89, I didn't achieve my goal, okay? The attainable, so let's say right now I'm like a 70s student. I'm getting mostly 70s. Well, that might not be, attainable. That's realistic. So attainable, is this attainable? I'm in class, I'm showing up to class every day. So yes, I am in class and have the ability to do so. Yes, that goal's attainable. Okay. And alright, and then realistic, like I said, if you're a 70 student, 70s across the board, well, maybe getting a 90 isn't realistic, so you might change your goal, okay? But if I'm like an 85 student, well, yeah, that's realistic. So you would say, currently I have a 90 in 3 out of 6 classes. Okay, so you're going to do this for both of your personal and academic goals. This is obviously academic. And you're going to write this down, you're going to do both, alright? You're going to have a worksheet that'll kind of address this tomorrow, but this is all for today. And if you haven't, if you don't remember the S, the M, the A, the R, and the T, you need to refer to yesterday's PowerPoint. So, alright guys, good luck.